Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, selamat hari raya to everybody. Okay, today kita akan masuk for second last chapters, which is chapter 12. Another statistical formula, which is introduction to correlation. Okay, so correlation, because for this chapter there ada correlation plus regression, but for your part only we just covered for correlation. Right, first of all, we have to know what does it mean by the correlation. So correlation is a measure and describe the relationship between two variables. Okay, so for unlike ANOVA, previously ANOVA dia ada more than two variables, right? More than two data. But for correlation, you want to see whether is it ada relationship or not between two variables. Okay? Okay. Let's say we can say contoh lah ya. Contoh kalau kita nak kata relationship ni, katakan you want to see the relationship between the student performance with the family income. Okay? Is it when you have increase the family income, dia punya student performance increase or not? Okay, but based on the research say, when you have the more increased number of salary for family income, it will increase the students performance. Okay, so this is we call as relationship. Contoh yang tadi tu, kalau students performance increase because of family income increase, we consider as positive relationship. Okay, maknanya dua-dua increase. When the salary increase, kan, contoh X tu adalah salary dia increase, student performance also increase. So this is we call as positive relationship. Okay, it depends on the question. And then negative relationship, it means vice versa, which is when we can say X variable the increase. Okay, X variable ni increase. When X variable increase, your Y will be decrease. So this is inverse relationship, or we call as negative relationship. Okay, alright. So for the negative relationship, we can say that contoh lah, we want to see whether amount of coffee sold. Okay, kita nak tengok variables coffee sold dengan temperature. Is it bila temperature of coffee to increase, is it number of coffee sold to increase or not? As you can see from this research, they say when the number of when the what you call coffee, sini katakan coffee, sini coffee. Okay, yang sebelah ni adalah sold lah. Sorry, ini dah temperature. Okay, so when the temperature is increased, okay, what will be happen, the number of sold decrease. Okay, bila temperature di increase, sold dia adalah decrease. So this is we call as negative relationship. Alright, okay, now we move to the person correlation. So this is the one that we have to see based on the formula. So what is a person correlation? It is to measure the degree and the direction of the linear relationship between two variables. Okay, so this one we want to know whether which direction they want to go, up or down. So how to do and how to see the direction, we have to use formula as usual. Okay, so this is the formula, which is Pearson correlation is we use R. Okay, so R equals to SP divided by square root of SSX multiply SSY. Okay, so SP is summation of product. SS tu I think everybody know kan already. SS is summation of square. Okay, ataupun summation of square. Okay, so summation of square. So why they have X and Y? Why X and Y ni means the data variable X and variable Y, which is data X and data Y. Okay, so how to find SP? So summation of product, you just use the formula. summation of xy minus summation of x multiply with summation of y divided by n. You just use the formula. Okay, direct question. So summation of summation of square. Ini pun formula yang kita pernah belajar dulu, sama je, guna this one. Summation of x square minus in bracket summation of x square divided by n. Okay, so at the last you have to find the r. For these chapters, same as the previous chapter as well, you have to know 4 steps. Okay, 4 steps, which is the step 1 to find the hypothesis, step 2 find the critical region, step 3 this is the step 3 to find the r, step 4 is the to find the decision and conclusion. Okay, so we will see for the next macam mana kita nak kira lah contoh dia. So I will give you another exercise example for the next video. Okay.